When we use thermal imaging, it helps us to see things in the walls or in the ceilings in this situation that we wouldn't see with our eyes, or often don't see with their eyes. In this situation there's a large pack of termites in the roof, and you can see the light colour, that's a very hot concentration of termites, and then you can also see the darker colour in it, that's a cooler area where there's a lot of termite mud, still a lot of activity, but not quite as many termites. But then when we take a look up into the ceiling, you can see the concentration of the mud and the little workings coming through the ceilings where this pack of termites are working. Back to the thermal camera again, and it just shows that those heat and hot spots and cool spots, areas with nothing, but back to the area where the problem is. This is another thermal image of a hot spot in the corner of a room. You can't actually see what's going on in the corner there. Maybe some little bit of mud coming through, so it's not much to see with your eyes, but with the thermal image camera it's glowing. There's no doubt as to where the problem is. Right up there. As we scan around that area, not a lot to see, but there's a big hot spot there. That's where we need to direct our chemical. Applying the Termidor dust to the termite activity. I'm applying the Termidor dust into where all the termites are active here. Just see if you can hear them chattering. They're actually coming out some of the holes that I've drilled to put our dust in. Anyway, we put our little puffer and we gently puff the Termidor powder into where the termites are. We're hoping we get a lot of the dust over as many of the termites that we can to eliminate the colony here. There's a lot of workings up here, and filigreed termite workings, and that's what we're puffing this dust into. The termites have eaten out this architrave, so we put a small hole with an awl, and into that small hole we're then going to try to puff out Termidor dust. Gently puffing it to try to get that on as many termites as we can. And that'll work up through the workings. Hopefully it's going to infect lots more termites. As you see nearby, there's some termite activity in the wall, and quite a bit of termite activity that's been knocked out by the owners here when they found the termites, but that should knock them out. That activity is coming from where a big pack is in the roof. So we've hit that, now we're going to hit some of the outer areas where they're working.